Hey, how you doing guys? I'm KB Kwan. Welcome back to another episode of Taste of Asian Food. Today I want to show you how to prepare a typical homegrown Malaysian Chinese cuisine by the name of Ham Yu Fa Lam Bo, which means salted fish and pork belly in a clay pot. And it is a very popular Malaysian Chinese cuisine that you can get in most Chinese restaurants in Malaysia. And I'm going to show you how to make it at home. I keep the pork belly in the freezer until it is half frozen. It is easier to cut it in this state. You can also choose to cut it into small cubes if you prefer. You also have the option to leave the skin on if you prefer. Add some ground pepper, some vegetable oil, some Shaoxing wine that helps to tenderize the meat and add some flavor, and some salt. Marinate it for 20 minutes. I use the Mui Heung salted fish, which tastes better. You can use other types if you want. I'll use half of it. Carefully remove the bones and skin. Then cut it into small pieces. You don't need a lot of salted fish because the flavor is intense and it is salty. Now prepare some other ingredients. The dry chilies cut into sections, ginger cut into slices, garlic cut into slices. Then the green onions cut into short sections. Separate the green and the white parts. And a medium-sized onion cut into small chunks. Because the salted fish is salty and savory, I only need to add some simple seasonings. Dark soy sauce for the color, and oyster sauce for the flavor, and some cornstarch to thicken the gravy. Add a little bit oil into the pan or wok. Stir fry the marinated pork. Most restaurants will prefer to deep fry it because the process is faster and it is also more even. But at home, I prefer to do this way because I need less oil. After some time, the color has changed and the oil is rendered. Remove the pork and then leave the oil inside the wok. Then fry the salted fish by using this oil. So in that case, you will not need to use so much oil in this recipe. When you smell the aroma rising out from the wok, remove the salted fish. Now add the ginger, garlic, the dry chilies, and the green onion, the white section. And then return the pork. Add some water. The dark soy sauce, the oyster sauce, return the salted fish, onion, let it simmer for a few minutes. I need a little bit more of water. Continue cooking in the pan or wok, or for a better presentation, transfer it to a clay pot. Do a taste test. It's perfect. Add a little bit of dark soy sauce to darken the color. Add some cold water to the cornstarch to form a slurry. Add the cornstarch slurry to thicken the sauce to the consistency that you want. And finally garnish with some green onions on top. And the salted fish with pork belly is ready. That's how to make Ham Yi Fa Lam Bo, and I hope you love it. Please subscribe, tap the notification and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video soon. Bye for now.